Best rollerblades. Are you looking for the best rollerblades? In this video we will look at some of the best rollerblades on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. K2 Inline Skates. Experience unmatched fit, comfort, and stability with the K2 Performance Inline Skates, engineered for both new and experienced skaters who want a smooth, secure, and confident ride. Designed with unisex sizing and an easy-to-follow reference chart, these skates make it simple to find your perfect fit on the first try. Adjustable features throughout the boot let you fine-tune the feel, while dual ankle straps and traditional laces lock in your heel and midfoot for exceptional support. The plush boot liner is a standout feature, crafted with heat-moldable intuition foam for a customized fit that forms to your foot over time. A built-in shock-absorbing heel wedge enhances comfort and stability, making longer skate sessions feel effortless. You'll also love the extended padded tongue, which provides extra support for skaters who naturally lean forward, helping you maintain balance and rhythm on any paved path. Equipped with a lightweight 6061 extruded CNC machined aluminum frame and three 110mm wheels, these skates deliver a fast, responsive, and highly maneuverable ride. Despite the three-wheel setup, the ankle and heel support provided outstanding stability during our tests, even on uneven surfaces. The included detachable ankle brake installs easily and gives you reliable speed control when you need it. Durable, secure, and built for performance, these rollerblades showed virtually no wear after repeated use, promising many miles of smooth, worry-free skating ahead. Details: men's sizes 5 to 13, women's sizes 6 to 15. 6061 CNC machined aluminum frame. 3 110mm wheels. Detachable ankle brake included. Number 2. Impala Skate Impala Lightspeed. Bring nostalgic 80s charm to every ride with these retro-inspired inline skates, made famous by Margot Robbie's iconic look in the Barbie movie. Available in the eye-catching sprinkle colorway, this pair features a chic cream base accented with blue, pink, and yellow for a playful yet fashion-forward aesthetic. But these skates aren't just about style, they deliver impressive performance on paved trails, boardwalks, and park paths alike. Built with a thick, durable plastic frame, these skates provide excellent stability without unnecessary bulk. The adjustable shin support and classic lace-up system let you fine-tune the fit for secure, all-day comfort. Even if you naturally lean into your shins, like former ski racers often do, these skates offer just the right amount of forward support while still feeling flexible and responsive. The cushioned interior lining is breathable enough for warm weather rides, keeping your feet comfortable even in high temperatures. On the move, the 470mm wheels glide smoothly over both flat pavement and slightly bumpy asphalt, allowing for easy turns, reliable balance, and confident stopping. A removable brake is included and can be attached or detached in seconds for customized control. While the light-colored frame may show scuffs more easily than darker options, the overall durability and smooth performance make these skates an excellent pick for beginners and seasoned riders alike. They pack easily into a small shoe bag, making them perfect for travel and spontaneous skating adventures. Details: sizes 5 to 14. Sturdy plastic frame. 470mm wheels. Removable brake included. Number 3. Papaison adjustable inline skates. If you're new to rollerblading or buying skates for someone who is, these entry-level light-up inline skates deliver the ideal blend of comfort, control, and fun. Designed to make learning easy, they're simple to put on, fully adjustable, and provide the stability and flexibility beginners need to build confidence on wheels. Plus, the LED light-up wheels add a playful touch that makes every ride more exciting. These skates arrive with a pre-installed brake on one skate, an essential feature for anyone just starting out and learning how to regulate speed. The supportive fit system includes a secure shin buckle and a Velcro strap across the top of the foot, helping new skaters feel locked in and balanced from the very first stride. The extra-large size fit perfectly during testing, offering a snug yet comfortable feel right out of the box. Breathability is another standout feature, thanks to the mesh upper material, your feet stay cooler during warm weather rides. The included cushioned socks and 2 dust bags are thoughtful bonuses that add value and convenience, especially for storing or traveling with your skates. While the materials feel a bit lighter than higher-end models, these skates performed reliably throughout testing, showing no signs of wear or reduced stability. For the wallet-friendly price, durability, and user-friendly design, they're an excellent choice for beginners ready to hit the pavement with confidence. Details: Sizes SXL. Aluminum alloy frame. Weight, 6.2 pounds. For 76mm light-up wheels. Brake included. Number 4. 2 PM Sports Inline Skates. Rollerblading is more fun when the whole family can join in, and these adjustable inline skates are designed to make it easy for kids, and even adults, to enjoy the ride together. Available in sizes SXL, you can match skates across the family, making outings, park trips, and lake paths a shared adventure. The youth sizes feature adjustable shin straps, Velcro ankle straps, and traditional laces, ensuring a snug and supportive fit that keeps little feet secure without causing pressure points or blisters. Comfort is a top priority, with cushioned footbeds that absorb bumps and uneven surfaces for a smooth ride. Young skaters, whether beginners or intermediates, will find these skates stable and easy to control. The 4-wheel design paired with a built-in brake provides reliable speed control and safe handling around obstacles. Tight turns may require a bit more effort, but overall maneuverability remains excellent. Durability is equally impressive. The combination of polyurethane wheels and a sturdy aluminum frame ensures that these skates hold up through repeated use, while the secure straps and laces stay firmly in place. The liner may be less breathable on hot days, and the skates are a bit heavier to carry for smaller children, but the overall quality, comfort, and stability make them an excellent value. Whether for recreational skating, learning balance, or family outings, these inline skates provide a safe, fun, and long-lasting option for kids and adults alike. Details: Sizes SXL. Polyurethane wheels with aluminum frame. Weight, 7.4 pounds. For 80mm wheels. Built-in brake included. Number 5. Epic Skates 125mm Engaged 3-wheel inline speed skates. Take your rollerblading experience to the next level with these high-performance 3-wheel inline skates, designed for skaters who want speed without sacrificing stability. Featuring oversized 125mm wheels, these skates glide effortlessly over rough terrain, offering a smooth, controlled ride whether you're cruising city streets, paved trails, or park paths. The larger wheels provide a stable base, making it easier to maintain balance while accelerating or navigating corners. Built with an aircraft-grade, CNC machined gold-polished aluminum frame, these skates deliver exceptional durability and sturdiness. The frame not only supports speed but also absorbs shock, giving a solid feel underfoot even on uneven surfaces. Inside, the cushioned boot lining provides a comfortable, soft fit that protects the shins and adds support during extended rides. The secure fit system includes dual buckle straps and traditional laces, allowing you to adjust the ankle and top of foot support to your exact preference. This ensures that your feet stay locked in while still feeling flexible enough for agile movements. The oversized wheels excel in providing stability, smooth acceleration, and responsive maneuverability around corners and obstacles. While these skates are built for speed and control, they do not include a brake, so beginners should practice stopping techniques before hitting busy paths. Overall, this pair is ideal for skaters looking to combine high-speed performance with sturdy, reliable construction and premium comfort. Details: Sizes 6 to 13. Aircraft-grade CNC machined gold-polished aluminum frame. Weight, 7 pounds. 3 125mm wheels. Dual buckle straps with lace closure for secure fit.